breath activation exercises. I'm going to teach you 2 right now, although I'm going to talk about 3 different breath activation exercises. In our chapter on practice with a sample warm-up, I did demonstrate plosive fun already. So I'm going to skip that one right now. The other 2 we're going to talk about is sipping and hissing and rhythmic hissing. They're 2 of my favorite activation exercises. Now, why do you need to do this? Because you want to get that system working. Just like you're warming up everything else, these exercises also help you to build support, strength, and management skills. Let's talk about sipping and hissing. Sipping and hissing is a simple exercise set up to help you to manage your breath in order to have the volume of intake and the control with the exhale for whatever task you have at hand. We'll start off simply with doing it 4 in and 4 out. We're going to sip in like a straw and hiss out like a snake. Here we go. Pretty simple. We're going to increase it. Now let's try it to 8. Let the air out first. In. Again. Try it for 12. $16. So what did you notice? When you got higher numbers, you probably had to be careful not to breathe in as much with each breath and not to let go as much with each breath. That way you would still have breath needed and not be too full at the end of each cycle. So that's sipping and hissing. Let's try rhythmic hissing. So rhythmic hissing, we're going to hiss on the beat. We'll start with the quarter notes. And s, 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 s. 8th notes. And s, 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 s. Triplets. $16. There you go.